Ever wondered why some wedding invitations look like they came from a luxury studio, while others feel a bit off? The secret often starts with the printer. In this video, I'm going over the best printers for wedding invitations, and what makes each one stand out. I went through tons of user feedback, expert opinions, and real discussions to get a clear picture of what actually matters. These printers come in different price ranges, and each one fits a different kind of project. So it's worth sticking around to see which one lines up with what you need. You'll find links to all the printers in the description. If this video helps, feel free to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Now, let's get into the printers. Number 6. Epson EcoTank ET2800. This one focuses on saving money over time without giving up decent print quality. It's a budget pick that aims to keep things simple and affordable. Epson EcoTank ET2800 uses refillable ink tanks instead of cartridges, and that's a big deal for wedding invitations if you're printing in batches. A single set of ink can handle thousands of pages, and many users point out how much they save over time. The print resolution goes up to 5,760 by 1,440 dpi, so text looks sharp and colors come out clean for most invitation styles. It supports a wide range of paper types, including thicker cardstock, which is great for custom designs. You can print common invitation sizes like 5 by 7, and even set your own dimensions. Wireless printing and the mobile app make setup pretty easy for many people, though some mention connection drops or trouble staying linked. Print speed is average, so don't expect super fast output for large runs. There's no automatic double-sided printing either, so that part takes a bit more effort. Still, for a budget option, it covers the basics really well. Number 5. Canon PIXMA IX6820. Stepping things up a bit, this one is all about high detail and larger print sizes. It leans more into creative control, which can really matter for wedding designs. One of the biggest highlights here is the print resolution, going up to 9,600 by 2,400 dpi. That allows for very fine detail, especially in photos, textures, and decorative elements. The 5-ink system helps with richer colors and sharper text, which is great if your invitations mix graphics and typography. Another strong point is the wide format support. You can print up to 13 by 19 inches, so it works well for oversized invites, inserts, or even matching signage. It handles different paper types, including glossy, matte, and cardstock, giving you more freedom with style. Wireless, Ethernet, and mobile printing are all available, though many users mention Wi-Fi can be frustrating and may drop connection. Some even switch to a wired setup for more stable use. It's a fairly large unit too, so desk space matters. Print speed is decent, though startup can feel slow at times and manual duplex printing is required. In the lower mid-range tier, this one stands out for detail and size flexibility. Number 4. Canon PIXMA G620. Moving into a more photo-focused option, this one leans heavily into color quality and detail. It's aimed at people who care about how every shade looks on the final invite. The 6-color ink system stands out right away, adding red and gray inks for smoother gradients and richer tones. That can make a big difference for wedding invitations with soft color transitions, floral designs, or detailed artwork. The print resolution reaches 4,800 by 1,200 dpi, which helps keep everything clean and sharp. This model uses refillable ink tanks, so printing larger batches stays more affordable over time. Many users like being able to see the ink levels at a glance, which helps with planning bigger print runs. It supports a wide range of paper types, including glossy, matte, and thicker cardstock. Automatic 2-sided printing is listed, though some users mention needing to flip pages manually, so that part can vary. Speed is where things slow down. It's one of the slower options here, especially for full-page prints. Some people also mention paper jams or small screen controls being a bit tricky. Still, in the mid-range category, it stands out for color depth and photo-style prints. Number 3. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. Now, we're getting into something that feels much closer to a studio-style setup. This one is built for people who want high-end results without stepping into full pro gear. It uses a 6-color ink system, including gray and photo black, which helps create smoother tones and more natural-looking images. That really shows up in wedding invitations with soft gradients or detailed artwork. The resolution goes up to 5,760 by 1,440 dpi, keeping edges clean and text crisp. Wide format support is another big advantage here. You can print up to 13 by 19 inches, which opens the door for larger invites, inserts, or matching decor pieces. It handles thicker cardstock and specialty media too, so you're not limited to basic paper types. The refillable ink system keeps long-term costs lower, and each set lasts quite a while. Setup is usually simple, and the touchscreen makes it easy to control. There are a few trade-offs. It's a large printer, so space can be an issue. Some users mention color tuning takes a bit of effort, and a few report reliability problems over time. It lands in the upper mid-range, offering strong value for the level of print quality and flexible media support. Number 2, Epson SureColor P700. Getting close to the top, this one leans hard into professional-level output. It's built for people who care deeply about color accuracy and fine detail in every print. The 10-color ink system really sets it apart. With extra shades like violet and multiple grays, it produces smoother gradients and more precise tones, which can make wedding invitations look much more refined. The resolution reaches 5,760 by 1,440 dpi, keeping edges sharp and colors well-defined. It supports a wide range of media, including fine art paper and thick cardstock, and can print up to 13 by 19 inches. There's even support for roll paper, which opens up more creative formats if needed. The touchscreen and overall interface are easy to work with, and setup is usually straightforward. That said, print speed is quite slow, so this is not ideal for large batches in a hurry. A bigger concern is ink. Replacement cartridges are expensive, and some colors run out faster than others. A few users mention reliability issues as well, like freezing or paper feed errors. This one sits in the premium category, built for those who want top-level detail and print quality above everything else. Number 1, Canon ImagePro Graph Pro 310. At the top spot, this one is built for people who want near gallery-level results for their invitations. It focuses heavily on detail, color depth, and print finish. The ink system uses 9 colors, plus a special coating layer, which helps create smoother surfaces and deeper blacks. That really shows in wedding designs with dark backgrounds or soft gradients. Even fine textures and small text stay clean and sharp, which can make a big difference on premium cardstock. It supports a wide range of paper types, including fine art paper and thicker media through a manual feed. You can print up to 13 inches wide and even handle longer custom sizes, so there's plenty of room for creative layouts. Setup is usually simple, and wireless printing works well for most people. The screen makes it easy to check settings and ink levels. There are some downsides. Ink use is high, and replacement cartridges are expensive. Some users mention paper errors or jams. This one sits firmly in the premium category, aimed at those who want gallery-level results with rich colors, deep blacks, and a clean, polished finish that really stands out on high-end invitations. That was a look at the best printers for wedding invitations and what sets each option apart. If you found this helpful, I've got more videos on similar topics right here on the channel, so feel free to check those out next. Thanks for watching.